The real-time facial emotion detection component detects emotions from players' faces. The component can be used in games for communication training or conflict management.
I'm going to numb your gums and jaws to help deal with the pain. We had our doubts about your ability to tactfully deal with conflicts.
The component detects emotions in real time, returning a string value representing 6 basic emotions: happiness, sadness, surprise, fear, disgust, and anger. It can also detect the neutral face. The presence of multiple players can be accommodated, as a software component can detect multiple faces and interpret their emotions at the same time. As input, it can use a player's personal webcam. It can also process a single image file or a recorded video file. The software is available in C# and C++. It runs in Microsoft Windows 7, 8 and 10 and can easily be integrated in many game engines, including, for instance, Unity 3D. The software is open source. It uses the Apache 2 license, which means that it is free at the point of use, including within commercial applications. The real-time facial emotion detection component captures players' emotional states, facilitating their use as variables in the games.